welcome to our channel.
Well, hey. So it's another experience, another trip. This one, as you guys know, well, you didn't know because it's the first vlog in this series. So I'm heading to Nigeria. I'm driving to the airport now. That's Zonel didn't want to drive. She's here, by the way. My flight is at 8:55. I'm taking British Airways. By the way, I booked this through American Airlines because I had this flight credit that I had to use, and everything worked out. Honestly, I had this flight credit through American Airlines that I had to use, but obviously American Airlines doesn't fly to Nigeria, and so, but they partner with British Airways, so I kept on tracking the flight, and then I ultimately saw the flight at the cheapest rate, and ultimately I paid probably around $600 for my ticket. So flying British Airways, I'm flying from New York to Heathrow, London, and then sorry, this is New York pothole, and then I get to Heathrow I think around 9 tomorrow morning. You know, there's a time difference, and the flight time to Heathrow is 7 hours, and then I leave from Heathrow at about at 11 a.m. and I should be in Lagos, if all go well, by 5:55. So check you out, come with me, let's go. Lagos, we coming. Well, so I made it in. Obviously, so as I've said many times, I have TSA pre-check, and honestly, literally, I got to the airport at about 7:20, and it's now 7:43. And so literally I got through immigration, not immigration, I got through so yeah, I got through you know, TSA literally within the matter of minutes. So if you have not gotten TSA pre-check, definitely do that, because you're going to get through quickly. Boarding is going to begin at 8:50. So I'm going to head over to London and then off to Lagos. So let's go. Just landed in Lagos. Obviously it's been a long flight, so now we stopped at this place, so I'm hoping to get the first taste of Nigeria, first taste of Africa on this trip. So come with me as we go in. Just ordered before going to the Airbnb. Literally this place is not too far from the airport. It's kind of like probably 15 minutes away. So yeah, about to try some I guess some first stew and some of these Nigerian dishes on the first day, first few hours when I touched down in Lagos. Well, yo, so I finally made it to the Airbnb here in Lagos. By the way, look at this apartment. I'm gonna give you a tour and let you see it. So introduce yourself. This is Shill. Shill. Huh? Say that again. Oh wow, he told you his whole government, right? And then the last person I just met was...
Hi, this is Keaton.
Keaton. So yeah, so we're here. Huh?
You're getting your reproduction.
Yes. So yeah, we're here at the Airbnb. We're waiting for the others to come. Obviously, Mardoshare was here before. I'm second. Joel was supposed to be here, but you know, he didn't make it in time. So we're here. Let me give you a tour as we wait. So this is the room that I'll be staying in right here in Lagos, Nigeria. So yeah, this is it. Take a look. And I love this art piece. And look at the details. Wow, this is Nigeria. Morning. It is Sunday morning, and so Mardo and I see Mardo. I don't think she wasn't in the vlog yesterday, but Mardo is here. And obviously, you're going to see a lot of people throughout the next few days. But one of the things I had to do was get to church, and there's been this church I've been following, House on the Rock, and so that's where we're going this morning. Koza was the plan, but House on the Rock we're gonna actually go to. So yeah.
Oh wait.
So yeah, until we get on the road. Ciao. All right, hey, so we are heading out now. We are heading to church. Heading to church. Let's go. By the way, I think you guys met Keaton. You in now? You in? Yes, you are. That guy is so smart. God, it's hot. That the camera is fogging up. So So well, we are here. We are here. Oh boy.
Oh boy.
I'm in the parking lot, but we are here. Which way we going? Oh, we're going that way?
To be honest, I can't remember so much, but I think.
But yeah, we're at House of the Rocks. We're about to enter. So let's go. Go on. Church is done, and so we are now going to go to the cab to then go back to the Airbnb. Let me tell you, so while I'm in church, I just start feeling my stomach moving, and I started sweating a little bit. I tell you, a little bit of diarrhea started setting, so I'm gonna get back to the Airbnb and I'm going to take some Imodium, and hopefully I'll be all right. But it's been good so far, really good message. We missed worship, but it was good until we go to the next spot.
Hey y'all, welcome to our channel.
Well, it's not her channel, you know, it's my channel, but we welcome you. We could cross the road. Vicky, how you feeling?
Feel good? Feel good?
Woo! We feel excellent.
That's right, that's right. So we are heading now to get brunch. This morning was a little bit harder, to be quite frank, but now I am good. Heading into the cab, which is here. By the way, expect this. The cabs or the Ubers that you're requesting are a little bit older, but the AC still works. But it's been good so far. Come on, let's go. So we just got to cafeteria, so we're about to go in. It's first outdoor spot, I guess, here in Lagos. And so let's see how, I guess, the food and the experience is. We are at cafeteria. What's the name of this menu?
What's my what?
On the menu.
Cheesesteak milk. You feel me? Cheesesteak milk, shredded chicken skillet, croissant breakfast. Who don't want to eat right now?
Listen, cafeteria. This is where it needs to be. Come on, cafeteria. So, but we'll let you know. We'll let you know how it tastes after the food come out. But we're seeing around the room, and it really looks good. So I think we're honestly gonna have a good brunch.
The best brunch.
Yeah. So here we go. Let's see. Hey, yo. So the food just came. How was the food?
It was good. The drinks was a little, well, you had a Strong Island, didn't you? I should have had that.
I didn't have a Strong Island.
Oh, you didn't? We're taking it light.
You had a Strong Island.
No, I have water.
But I had water to a tea. So, but I heard
you know, you finish all your meals.
All my meals.
The strip mac and cheese, the first one before that, you could eat. You showed know how to put it away.
Mac and cheese and French toast. What did you have?
I had the mac and cheese, same thing with the shrimp. And I had the pancakes and the eggs.
It was really, really good. So we certainly recommend cafeteria. So next time in Lagos, get over here. We recommend it. So I guess he came with the van, but he's not going back with us. So this is where we're going in the van back to the Airbnb. So let's go.